In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fidelity to Rocket Money. First, start by heading over to the Rocket Money website. You might already have an account, but if you don't, you'll want to get that set up. Once you're on the site, look for the sign in button. It's usually at the top of the page, so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your login details and get yourself into the Rocket Money dashboard, which is where all the action happens. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to look for an option to add a new account. It's typically marked quite clearly and should be a straightforward step. Clicking on Add will direct you to Rocket Money's account linking portal. Don't worry, it's all safe and secure as they use a trusted service known as Plaid, which specializes in linking bank accounts to financial apps. When you are in the linking portal, a search bar will appear. This is your tool to find Fidelity Investments among the many financial institutions listed. Type in Fidelity Investments, and once it appears in the results, select it. This will ensure that you are linking the correct account within Rocket Money. After selecting Fidelity, you should see an option to continue. Clicking on this button will start the linking process. At this stage, you'll need to enter the credentials you normally use for your Fidelity account. This may include your username and password. Fidelity is big on security, so be ready for a potential two-factor authentication process. Make sure you have access to your phone or email just in case you need to verify your identity. Once you've logged into Fidelity, the next step involves choosing which accounts you'd like to connect to Rocket Money. If you have multiple accounts such as a brokerage or an IRA, now is when you decide what you want to monitor through Rocket Money. Select your desired accounts and click Continue to confirm your selections. Finally, after selecting the accounts, it's always a good practice to verify that the connection has been made successfully. This ensures that Rocket Money can accurately track your financial data and provide insights to help you with your financial planning. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Fidelity account to Rocket Money. By following these steps, you can keep tabs on your investments and finances all in one place, which can be a massive help in managing your money more effectively. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to revisit these steps, and happy tracking.